Over the weekend, I finally read in detail Senate Bill 1979. And I was shocked and I was appalled by some of the elements of that. Because this is all this woke they are trying to bring into our system. You will teach 4-year-olds how to masturbate. That every child has the right to try different sexualities.
Sanggalang batas yan. Ang sabi ni President Bongbong Marcos ay ang batas na ito ay maaaring magturo sa mga anak natin na may edad 4 na taong gulang para matutong mag-masturbate. Ang galing naman. Saan kayo nakaisip niyan?